Today we're going to get into the world of sweetness you might crave at any moment. Yes, it's none other than a candy, the most accessible and a quick turnaround for little sweet cravings. Here, these bunch of renowned robotic machines are expertly releasing the smooth candy paste, which is going to get through a lot of kneading and other processes, which you probably do not know. After achieving perfect smoothness, each candy mixture is gently rolled up with strong robotic rolling pins to constantly knead them for a perfect texture at the end. You can see these four sorts of candies are going to process, so let us show you their close-up by taking you towards one of those Following that, they are delicately buffed with a rolling spinner to achieve flawless smoothness, ensuring they melt away with every mouthful. And not forgetting those modern machines, which helped a lot in speeding up this tiresome task without involving any manual help. Plus, from kneading to thinning and shaping the candies into perfectly equal shapes, it's purely amazing. This advanced machinery ensures that the candies become incredibly smooth, melting in your mouth instantly and offering an irresistibly delightful taste. Just as every flavor offers its unique delight, much like how each individual's mind is distinct, so too are our preferences and tastes. That's why, observing human diversity, these candies are crafted in a variety of flavors. Previously, humans would mix candy mixtures by hand and affix them to walls with a sturdy nail, a laborious and exhausting task. You might have watched such reels on social media declaring their old candy-making methods. Look at the changing color of these candies. From bright red to getting pinkish glow, they are all set to get packed and enjoyed by all of us. Once all of the four candies are ready to get their cloaks on, all of them are sent towards the multi-packing station, where a specific batch of the mixed candies will be packed and sealed, ensuring you and your kids get to enjoy all the four flavors. Following the era of hard, crackling candies, we now have beloved chocolate and soft candies. Made from cocoa powder and milk, the chocolate is refined to a silky smooth texture with no lumps. Enthralling videos for you guys. Jelly Belly gummies are made with the same careful attention and high quality that have made the brand famous for its jelly beans. These gummies are packed with strong, real flavors that taste like actual fruits and other favorite treats, giving you an amazing taste experience. Made with real fruit nectar and several other sweet ingredients. Each bite is delicious, making these gummies a treat that candy lovers everywhere enjoy. Jelly beans are also loved for their unique texture. They have a slightly hard outer layer, but when you bite into them, there's a burst of sweetness inside it, making your mouth full of realistic flavors. While the rest of the beans are made with different Each slice is loaded with gooey cheese, zesty sauce, and toppings that are out of this world. Trust us, you won't be able to stop at just one slice. Humans can't crank out dozens of donut cakes in a minute, but that's where these robotic machines come in. They're set up with preset settings so they need less manual involvement, or you can say help and make fewer mistakes. Now, a creamy, dreamy layer is infused onto each donut cake, all set to activate those on-leave taste buds with every bite, and you're gonna crave for more. And what else would matter so much other than this chocolatey dip on the top? They'll be left untouched shortly to let the chocolate harden just perfectly. And now it's being packed up without compromising on its quality for sure. After watching this entire video, you are never going to doubt the commercially made omelets or even commercially raised hens. Yup, they are being raised in far more cleaner, pure, and fully optimized environments, which makes so your omelet always tastes delicious and fresh. Now comes the automatic egg separator machines that use a bunch of robotic arms to automate the process of cracking eggs and separating the yolks from the whites, making large-scale operations faster and more precise. This precise cracking ensures that the yolk and white are not damaged and that no shell fragments mix with the egg components. After cracking, this person carefully observes and removes the damaged egg yolks from the mesh. The eggs flow through a little stream until they get whisked to make a perfect omelet for our audience. The entire material is now poured through these automated nozzles to make sure every lane gets the right amount of whisked eggs. I'm always amazed watching these machines working like it's a piece of cake. These are responsible for dripping only required oil, so the omelet doesn't get wet in the oil, nor sticks to the stove belts. Just watch this sight that needs no explanation. It's simply pouring the eggs, and it's super satisfying. You may have noticed those rising bubbles in the eggs, which means just like our normal omelets, these are also about to be cooked to perfection in a few seconds. Look at that automation. It won't stop until it makes more than 1,000 omelets, which is their daily task. And by looking at that speed, it's not going to take another hour. While they have completed their omelet-making daily task, now comes the boiled eggs. They say some of the freshly collected eggs are sent here in this cleaning and boiling facility, so they can entertain both sorts of customers. After boiling these eggs, they cooled down in fresh water to lower their temperature. After that, they go through different and probably a new technique that you have ever seen to remove their shells, separating the boiled eggs beautifully from the peels. Boiled eggs are a versatile and nutritious addition to any meal or snack. They offer a quick and satisfying protein boost, perfect for a busy day. This peanut butter-flavored delight is coated with a rich caramel sauce layer and various nuts to create a delicious taste which might be impossible to resist. Once the knick-knack is done, it's cut into small pieces and chilled to achieve the perfect shape and flavor. Hey, if you guys are enjoying our video, please hit that glowing like button and keep supporting us as you always had. And if you have something to ask or appreciate our effort, you can always chit-chat with us in the comments box. Feast your eyes on the creation of these smooth, fluffy marshmallows. So it all starts with these huge industrial machines that are proofing the dough for around 2 times and punch down the dough again so it will be easier to carry around. Yup, now they're going to turn the proofed ingredients to light and fluffy dough balls. Look how perfectly they roll them up. A touch of dry flour gets sprinkled all around them to keep things streamlined. I mean, who want to watch sticky dough messing up the things? Am I right? Now, the dough balls are mechanically placed into their dedicated molds where they will rise again and get baked later. Did you know that every McDonald's hamburger serves up 250 calories, completely free from artificial flavors, preservatives, and color additives? Notice that egg sprayer and the sesame seeds topping? They are all set to get baked in the giant ovens. Yup, the ovens are so huge and well systemized that they manage to keep on baking the buns in dedicated time until all of them get their glossy golden finish. Yeah, I mean once the targeted baking part is over. Just take a peek at these straight rows of thousands of buns. It's truly impossible not to admire pickles and extending their shelf life. We have seen our buns, pickles, and patties ready. What comes next is none other than tomato sauce. It's a necessary ingredient to make the burgers extra delicious. But we will also show you how factories make mustard sauce for McDonald's, so sit back. Prioritizing cleanliness, first the tomatoes get the full spa treatment. It's not just about cleanliness, it's about ensuring every tomato shines bright. These juicy wonders are loaded with fiber, ensuring no bumps in the digestion road. But wait, there's more. Tomatoes are packed with antioxidants like lycopene, swooping in to lower the risk of chronic diseases and keep inflammation at bay. Check out the huge automation. It's pretty soothing. And if you like watching such videos, you've come to the right place. So, after the tomatoes get a good soak, they're carefully sorted by workers to remove any dirt or debris that managed to sneak in during the wash. Take a look at these massive boilers. Yeah, that's the power hub. These tomatoes are about to get a hot bath. The process has begun. First, the tomato paste, then other essential ingredients to enhance its flavor are added and churned to make the smooth tomato sauce. Look closely. Those are the secret spices that go into your ketchup bottles and you crave for more and more with every cuisine. These sleek flask-shaped bottles are all set to get filled with ketchup. Those clever minds behind the scenes have ensured there's no mess or dribbling. Now, as these incredible machines seal each bottle tightly, see how they do it with precision, ensuring everything stays spotless and clean-cut. Aren't the full package, right? Here, they're being sliced into perfect uniform shapes with some incredible blades that are nothing short of spectacular. After a thorough wash, they're dried with precision air pressure before being neatly packed in equal portions. Drinks? Anyone? We've managed to get inside the Sprite factory today, where you will see some marvelous behind the scenes of filling that fancy drink inside the millions of bottles. This sophisticated circular automated machine whirs with precision, filling bottles seamlessly as they move along, ensuring every sip delivers that refreshing taste.